Let's speak about Golang variables. So how can we define a variable? So I can define a variable using the keyword var, then variable x, and then it's going to be of type int. Then I can put a value for that. Now I am going to print the value of x. Let's try to run it. So we have existed. So we can also define variables of type float, y, float 64, and also we can at the same time we can pass a value. And this kind of initialization is also working. There is one more way to do the same, that is so these are three ways we can declare a variable and initialize the value in Go. So here we had specified keyword. Here we use variable keyword called var to declare a variable of type int and assign a value 10 to that. Then we assign declared and initialized at the same Go. Here we didn't use keyword var. We just passed a value. Pass the value directly to it and go analyze the expression and declare the variable is of type string. So this is a type of declaration is called shorthand. It comes very handy. We can also have global variables in Go. So we can have under var we can have a variable name of string type. Let's put Alex, and we can access the same. And if we can also define another name inside the function, and if we just do the same again, it will print the RAM because name is the scope of this variable name is inside the function, not so instead of the global variable name we will use the name from here. If in case if we don't pass initialize a variable with a value, so let's I will put a variable a, initialize a variable a, and if I just print the value of a, the value is a. So default value of specific types will be 0 for int, empty string for a string, and if it's a boolean it will be false. In Go we can also define constants variable using the keyword const. So I try to run the program. It is 18. And if I try to update age equal to 19, let's try to run the program. So it says we cannot assign to age since it is a constant.